How's Grandpa's little girl, huh? Yeah, look at that. Hi. 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 Who are you talking to? Who are you talking to, huh? Get that out of your face so we can see you. Those got the big yawns, huh? You've been sleeping all night. You slept good. Only Grandpa and Grandma didn't sleep good. Only Grandpa and Grandma got up with you in the middle of the night. 2 times. But it was only for an hour and a half, so it didn't matter.
She's really interested in those hands.
Let's see that pretty face.
Happy New Year, baby girl. I love you. Time to go to sleep.